Wow! Good morning, guys. Coffee is life. Breakfast is here. So what's this? Roti to. And fruits. And then what's that? Yogurt.
Yogurt.
And waffle.
Waffle and what's that? A roti.
Pancake.
This is roti.
This is roti. What's this?
Kopos.
Kapos.
This is a life-changing.
Alright, so almost 9 a.m. and we're checking out. Nandito na yung aming sundo. Nasa may kabilang dulo daw siya. Which way though? Ayan, so this way yung aming bus. Nandun siya nakapark sa may dulo. Bye, Gale! First stop of the day. So they call it Stick Fisherman. Yan, dito sa Kotawang Kala. Uwi. Ito siya. So makikita naman niya siya sa highway if you want to see fisherman. Yan. So tayo sila sa sticks. Sobrang famous kasi ito dito sa Sri Lanka. So sa mga paintings ito makikita nyo. Yan, nakatayo sila dyan sa still. So you can also pose if you want. So there's some fishermen here na nandun sa still talaga. So let's see them. So here they are. May nahuli siyang fish, oh. Nice. So we are taking a break for some, I don't know, what's this, suha?
What's that?
Coconut. So this is orange pero green. And the kulay orange coconut. How's the coconut?
Parang lasang buko.
Oh, amazing. I didn't expect that. Ang ganda ng coconut nila, kulay orange. Ito siya, oh. Yan, they're preparing the drink. Thank you for the coconut. Alright, so third stop of the day. So we're gonna be hiking the coconut tree dito sa Melissa Hills. I'm with the view. Hey guys! Kinda hot today. Siyempre, ready tayo. Meron tayong dalang payong. So, ito yung coconut hill. Yan. So, mag-hike. Well, not really hiking, but we're gonna be walking up on the hill. So, let's go. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Sabi nila, grabe itong mga Asian na to, mga nakapala. Good morning! So, hindi naman siya matarik. So, gradual naman yung kanyang inclination. Ano yung nakakit namin. Yan. And more. And we are here! Grabe, ang ganda ng view. Wow! Okay, last look. We're gonna be going to our next destination, which is Ella. Ganda, grabe. Hi, ate. Guys, sobrang ganda. So let's appreciate this for the last time before we head to Ella. So kasi it's going to be a long ride, so it's a good break really. Although prior to the long ride naman, magla-lunch pa rin naman kami along the way. So here we go. Ito yung view dito sa Merisa Hill. So ito yung tinatawag nilang Coconut Hill dito sa Merisa. So this is like the 7-Eleven of Sri Lanka. And ito yung go-to namin for restroom break. Thank you. So meron waterfalls pala dito along the way. So bumaba muna kami dito. It's just right beside the highway. Sobrang taas, ang ganda. So here we go. Grabe, sobrang taas ng falls dito. Tapos sobrang taas din kasi ng ano eh. Look at the mountains. Hey guys, we are now here in Ella, Sri Lanka. Sobrang daming restaurants and cafes and of course hotels dito kasi this is a really good spot for a traveler. So ito yung mga pinupuntahan dito sa Ella, and may waterfalls and then of course the famous Nine Arch Bridge. And then as you can see, sobrang daming tourists dito, but mostly are Western, I guess. I think so far we are the only Asians that I can see. So we're gonna be having our late lunch dito sa Chill Restaurant. And so let's go upstairs. Nice place.
Yes,
Hi guys! Hi. Say hello to my vlog. Yes.
Hi vlog! Hi Ella!
Hi Ella! We are here for you. Okay. That's how we prepare lamb-rice.
Ay, di kami mamaya.
And this is mango lassi. So this is Chill Cafe. So I think talagang sikat siya dito sa Ella kasi lagi siyang puno from Western tourists, kahit mga Asian. So I can see some Asian. It's good. And the food naman is really good talaga. So I think it's really a must try here when you are in Ella. Alright, so we are here na sa aming accommodation dito sa Ella. Don't check. Hey guys, so it's around 7 o'clock in the evening. So we're gonna be exploring Ella at night. Yan, sobrang daming restaurants, resto bar, cafe, and of course, tourists. So dito kami nag-early dinner kanina, parang late lunch, early dinner. Sobrang colorful ng area at night. Grabe. Ang ganda ng souvenir shop na to. So, I might buy something. Nandito yung mga ref magnets nila. Ang ganda ng painting din. Okay, so ito yung mga nabili nating ref magnets na souvenir. Yeah, here sa Supermart kami bumili ng souvenir. So, way cheaper yung souvenirs dito compared dun sa mga previous naming napuntahan. So, you better check this out if you want to buy souvenir and if you're here in Sri Lanka. And of course, here in Eliang. We're just walking dito sa street. We are looking for cafe na pwede naming tambayan to just chill. Kasi we're still full, di ba? From the early dinner, late lunch, kanina, dito sa chill naman. So, I think yung mga kasama ko nakahanap na ng cafe. So, check that out. So, dito tayo magka-cafe and tatambay for a moment to just chill. Yan, Cafe by Rainbow. Ito yung menu dito sa Cafe by Rainbow. So I ordered coffee. Cappuccino is 790. Coffee time!
Doon ka talaga?
So dito si Simba. Iinom na. Cute. Hi! The night is young and so is Kelvs. Alright, so tapos na kami dun sa Cafe by Rainbow. So we're gonna be transferring to a different place, a different bar, yung different vibe. Kasi doon medyo more chill lang, relax. So yeah, coffee. Ngayon, ngayon we're gonna be looking for something maybe buhay na buhay. So, yun. Alright. Let's check out some place. Hi. Can you say hi? Hi. Hello. Okay, so let's see kung saan tayo makakarating. Okay, so pwede pa pala umakyat dito. May mga bars pa dito going to the railway station. So there's hiking bar, restaurant. So, yan. Marami pa dito, sunod-sunod. Okay, so ito yung One Love na mataas dun sa main street. Nandito lang pala siya sa may kabilang side. Okay, let's check this place out. Alright, so ito na yung drinks namin dito sa One Love. Done for tonight. So, balik na kami ng accommodation to sleep kasi maaga pa kami tomorrow. So, good night everyone. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit like and then comment down below. Please subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. See ya!